Second gear, foot flat. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today, very special and different day. Alicia, she's never driven a full drive in low range. Today's the day that she's going to do it. To make things even more interesting, she only has her automatic license. So as you guys probably know, this car is a manual. So this is going to be very interesting. What we're going to do first is we are going to just drive around on the tarmac. She's going to get used to the gears and the clutch. She has driven this car like once before. It was very
It was great, it was really good.
But we are going to have to go back over the basics. So we're going to do that on the tarmac. Then we're going to send her up a little bit of a hill and low range. And I'm actually really curious to see how she handles the low range, because I know myself, when I first put it a full drive in low range, I was like, what the hell's going on? This is going so slow. And I'm like, what you did it, what you did, what you did. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Super nervous? Or?
Yes, super nervous.
Alicia also doesn't like being on camera, so she's very uncomfortable today. We're throwing her right in the deep end, but it's going to be funny. It's going to make for a great video, and I'm pretty excited.
Let's go.
Don't break my car, all right? All right, so for those of you who are new to the channel, Alicia is driving the MP300. If you haven't seen it before, it's a 6-inch lift. It's on 33s, mud terrain tyres, obviously bull bar, everything you can see, all pretty specky. So I'm really curious to see how she goes, honestly. I think low range is going to be a bit funny, but she's in the driver's seat. Let's go. Whoa, did you see that? I just teleported into here. That was pretty cool though. What are you going to need? You're going to need the keys, aren't you? That's these guys in my skinny jeans. Be careful. Please don't drive it too fast for me, alright? Okay, you ready? So you're in neutral. So the gear stick's in neutral, which is left and right, which means you can start the car without anything on. So take your feet off.
Why would it roll?
No. Take your feet off, yep. Now start the car. Let's get this aircon cranking. It's bloody hot. It's the middle of winter and it's hot as. First things first, clutch in, foot on the brake, push down. This is a push down and then across, yep. And now put the handbrake down. This is the best car for a learner because the reverse camera's upside down. You can't see out the back. Bloody barely see over the bonnet. Can you see over the bonnet?
I'm driving.
You're driving. Ooh.
Is that bad?
No, that's good.
Ah!
Now into first. Full lock.
What?
Full lock right. Now.
It's just rolling.
No, that's fine. You can keep rolling back. There's no one behind you.
But it's bad for the car, isn't it?
No, it's fine. Now, bit of gas, bit of clutch. Stall number 1. That was good. Yeah, so as you come off the clutch, you feel it pull forward. A little bit of gas. Yep, now, that's it. Oh, look at that. Oh, that was so close. That was so close. That was good. That was genuinely good. What do you think about that?
I'm over it.
Alright, try that again.
Why did that not work? Why is it not
Bit too
working?
much stick, and you didn't let the clutch out. That's it.
It's going.
Yep.
So I'm gonna put it into.
Alright, okay. Yeah, so go up a bit. Yep.
Was that third?
Yeah, that's third there. I think you had 5th.
Is it still in? Is it in third?
Yeah, that's in third. Yeah. Go up. You can go into 4.
No, because then I have to turn.
Yeah, so don't turn here. Turn at the next one.
Well, I don't know what to do when I turn.
Well, you got to turn the steering wheel.
You know, you're actually the worst driver instructor I've ever met.
That's not offensive at all. Because I don't instruct driving. I just drive my. Yeah, so go into third. Clutch in.
And then I give it a
That was perfect. That was good. Oh, you kinked my neck. You kinked my neck. You kinked my neck when I stalled it. I mean, when you stalled it. Oh, nailed it. That was sick. Into second, yep. Clutch out. Yeah,
sorry.
Perfect. No, that's good. I'm actually very surprised. Like, we're doing it live right now. You're doing good. I'm so surprised. Was that a third? Is that a 30?
Is that bad? Am I not
No,
meant to do third yet?
I didn't even tell you to do that. You just did it. I love it. So, what's your thoughts on
You're instructing.
not on my instructing on the car to drive?
That it is the easiest one I've ever driven.
Yeah. They are actually, like, modern day diesels are very easy to drive.
Every other, even old diesel utes that Dad would take me in to learn.
They're easier than a petrol.
Yeah, but in every other car apart from yours, like the clutch is a lot more difficult, whereas yours, you literally don't even notice the clutch. Like, why did it just do that whistle thing?
That's the second turbo spooling up. It's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. So I'm back in the driver's seat. We're gonna head to the track, which is only about a 5-minute drive from here. I've got the perfect little hill in my mind. Alicia has never driven in low range before, never felt like a low range gear. It is considerably easier, but the thing that she's going to be working with is like being on the hill, you know, clutch working, all that sort of stuff. So there's not much that can go wrong at this place, but if it does, RIP to the world, Harry, you can't have my Xbox, right? You touch that shit, I'm going to haunt you for the rest of your life. So we're just at the entrance now. Very muddy because we've just had a lot of rain, so fingers crossed we don't get stuck. But this is the entrance here, so we are going to instantly have to go into 4 low. Alright, so she's just a little bit bloody muddy out here, eh? Look at that. That is just absolutely caked on. That's some sticky stuff. So fingers crossed we don't get stuck because, yeah, because we don't want to get stuck. So this is the track. Obviously this bit here is nice, flat. It's not muddy. So we're going to get used to her doing the low range. Maybe a couple times up and down here. It's really quite hard to turn around here, but then over down there is a muddy as little section, little bit ruddy, little bit hilly. I'm probably going to send her up that. Safety first. All right, low range. She should, it's already in low range, so it's going to be different. It's going to feel different, but I don't want you to panic.
Wouldn't I have to practice with the clutch, or is the point still the same?
It's exactly the same. Okay, now put it in first. So this is low range full wheel drive, and you're about to full drive for the first time in your life. Are you excited?
A little bit.
You're about to full drive. You ready?
I've got to tell my dad.
This is going to be a little bit different. Handbrake's on.
Oh.
Are you on the brake?
Yeah.
Foot off the clutch, that's right. That's perfect.
I was going slow.
Yep. Now into second.
What the hell? I'm not
Okay.
going anywhere though.
I know, it's full drive. You're in 4 low.
Do I need to go to third?
No, that's fine. Just keep it going that fast.
So how do I know when I need to change? Do the revs change?
Holy crap. Burn the car. Burn the car. Did you see that?
No.
Okay, so what happened there? There's a spider on my bonnet. I freaked out. I hate spiders. All right, let's forget that. It's all right. It's gonna go. Yep.
I feel like it's easier.
It is. It's easier to drive.
Was that right?
Yep. Whoop, whoop. When you go down stuff, we're just gonna put it in first and just let the car walk.
So what do you mean?
So you're just steering at this point.
But why not just go?
No, because we're in low range. So I'll explain what I mean, but because we're gonna go down a hill, like,
So it's got like a brake.
yeah, so it's stopping itself. So you're just cruising. So just put it in first. I'm so excited right now.
Okay.
All right, now clutch out, brake off. Yep, now just steer. And we're gonna go down this.
I can't see.
Yeah, that's all right. Right. Yep. Just let it go.
Oh, it's grabbing.
Yep. So you can feel it. That's the rut steering it. So we're gonna keep driving this rut. So you just stay in this rut.
In the rut.
Yep. So wherever the water is, we want to stay.
Oh.
You're basically just a passenger at this point. Like, if you're in a deep enough rut, you can't steer. See how you're steering? Just keep it straight.
Why?
Because it's not going to do anything. You're just fighting it.
Oh, Tom, I'm too scared.
No, this is good. You're doing well.
No, I'm too
No,
scared.
this
Like
is
my
perfect.
stomach is going.
This is perfect. So this is a bit of a
can't
drop.
see, I
Yeah,
can't
it's fine.
see.
Just let it happen. It's fine. Trust me.
Tom.
Don't shut your eyes. That's the worst thing you can do. It's gonna fall. Yep. How easy is that?
Tom.
How easy is that? There's a big hole in front of us there. I know it's probably hard for the camera to see it. By the way, the camera makes stuff look absolutely tiny. Some of the stuff we drive it looks crap on camera, eh? Like it's actually genuinely scary in real life. But anyway, that's a pretty big hole. I'd say it's about 1/2 meter deep on the left there.
Okay.
Yep, so you're just gonna let your left side drop into that hole, okay?
Right.
So let's get some bloody aerial views on this.
If I want to slow down.
Just you can feather the brake ever so slightly. No, don't steer. Don't steer, just let it steer. Just let it steer. Just let it steer. It's fine.
Tom, I'm serious.
Just let it steer. It's okay.
It makes no
Steer
sense.
left. Steer
You just
left.
said don't steer.
Yeah, just keep your wheel straight.
This just makes 0 sense why it follows the rut.
What was that like?
Well, I don't understand why. Why
Okay,
did I
so
need
we're
to go with the
definitely not going into that hole. So yep, follow it around. My car like perfectly fit in the drain and it was just crab walking back. The first one, which we didn't get on camera, went the whole way back. It was cool as. I've never felt, that just felt that cool. I can't explain it, it just felt cool, right? See, just up there, that is where we're gonna drive next.
Where?
Just up this track. See that?
The one on the right.
Yep, that one there.
The left.
I don't know, no, on the right.
That one.
Yep. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just a muddy, ruddy section. So we're gonna get some wheel spins, just see how you perform.
No.
I think you're gonna do good. I'm just walking up this track, setting up the tripod so you can watch Alicia sort of drive up instead of sitting in the car. You can see with my pointer, pretty muddy holes. That is like proper mud, like that thicky, bloody, what's thicky mean? Just thick mud, that's what I was trying to say. Like even here, that's pretty big, that's pretty big. She's definitely gonna be spinning some wheels, so be her first burnout, I reckon. It's super muddy. She's getting stuck a little bit, getting hung up, so we just got to keep giving it the right boot. I'm just going to take his down. I'm going to follow on the side because we're moving pretty slow. So it's absolutely awesome. I can't believe she's doing this. And this tyre here is in a hole as well. So, all right, go back. She's doing so well. Stop. Now come a bit harder. And give it some. Gotta go faster. I might have to get her out of this one. It's actually pretty stuck. I'm gonna have to get you out. Something like that.
Oh, it is the pro.
There we go.
Ooh, why is it making that
It's
crunch?
just wheel spin. Right, you're back in the hot seat. See how covered the wheels are, there's just zero traction. Well done. That was good, but you need to give it more stick. Keep coming. Well done, keep coming. Steer this way. Jeez. Well done, keep going. Keep the momentum. Keep it going! Yee-hoo! Yes! Holy crap! Yee-hoo! Oh! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That was sick! You should see how much mud was coming off those wheels. Okay, you have to look at this. Turn it off. It's fine, you have to look at this. Holy crap! Look at that! Oh, I'm so proud. Look at that wheel! That is...
You carry me. Ew. Yeah.
Oh, I'm so stoked!
Is it food time?
Oh my god, do you not feel good about that?
I feel like there's such tiny ruts compared to what everyone...
But that was muddy as, like, oh, look at my foot. Look at this wheel. Look at this, ready? Watch this.
I can see.
It's like a flap of skin. Look at that. It's everywhere. Oh, you know that rule too, where the driver washes the car? That's a golden rule. What did it feel like though, wheel spinning the whole way?
I didn't feel like I was listening.
Those tyres were churning,
It felt
baby.
like I was just driving.
Those tyres were churning. That was so sick. I'm so proud of you. Well done. High five.
Your hands are dirty.
Nah, they're all right.
There we go.
Yeah. All right, guys, so that's pretty much us for today. That was absolutely epic. I'm so stoked we came out here. Well done. I think that was awesome. It was such a cool drive. I'm so glad I got to film that. Thank you for letting me film. She hates being on camera, so absolutely awesome. And thank you all so much for watching. Appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Drop a thumbs up if you thought this was a cool idea for a video. We literally had no idea what we were doing this weekend. Just thought, hey, let's put Alicia on a muddy track in a muddy hill. So absolutely awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.
Bye.